Ngayon lang gumanda ang weather this week. At last, after 25 tries, dapat ikatatlo maka-perfect para sigurado. Come on. It's not happening today. So in our quest na magpagaan ng setup, titanium bolts para sa disc. Rotors, ayan. This time, ang brand nito is Muqzi, yung M-U-Q-Z-I, something like that. Yun ang brand niya. So, grade 5 titanium ito. Yan, so thou shall not sacrifice yung durability at reliability sa weight kasi ilang grams lang din naman yan. It's not the first time na nangyari ito at marami na akong ibang brands na try, the same thing happens. So mas maganda talaga yung chromoly na lang or steel. To be continued sa isang bike na mas lower ang BB and yung front end na setup medyo payupo. It's kind of weird setup. Okay. Okay. Last. Dalawang beses lang pero siguro umabot na ako 80 tries. Come on. Yes! At plus nabuo ang tatlo. Plus 20 tries para makakuha ng isa. Grabe. Exercise. Alas, pwede na palpak. I didn't think makuha ko sa second try. I used to struggle so much sa pag-akyat ng 3 stairs. Uyay! That's what I call dirty side hop. Bakit? Kasi I'm doing it the wrong way. Hindi ko nare-release yung back brakes. So it feels like nagba-back hop ka lang paakyat. And that's really how it feels like. But that way, mauuna yung front pag land. Kind of weird pero mahirap i-explain pero basta maling paraan. But it works. Isa pa, up clear. Oh yes. last but not the least, front wheel hops. So ang goal ko lang muna ngayon is maka-hop at least 4 or 5 times lang talaga. And I'd be happy with that. 4 times. It feels so weird pag nandun ka sa peak. Hanggang 3 pa lang talaga kaya ko. Yung pang-apat is land na. I really need to know how to scoop backwards gamit aking paa. I'm just not there yet, pero sige lang, slowly but surely. Nasiraan pa ako ng bike, but buti na lang may mga extra bike. I don't have friends to spend my time with here, pero sige lang, may kapalit ang lahat. So just gotta be happy with what you've got. See you, bye bye.